What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of FisherYin. As you know, I love exploring, and near my house we got the James River, so I'm here with two friends. We're gonna be fly fishing today. Hopefully we can catch some smallies. Conditions are great, water's super warm. We're gonna be wet wading if you couldn't already tell, but yeah, stay tuned. All right, so we got a decently deep pool right in front of us. Gonna pull out some slack. So I already got some followers. Probably it was some panfish. All right, let's keep moving. You gotta be very careful when you're wading because these rocks are extremely slippery. Take off the bag, even though I think it's waterproof. Not too sure, so let's not risk it. Whew, all right, chest deep water now. And we are here. Awesome. Good, very good. Oh, that was super sketchy. I just waded through that. It's actually deeper than I thought it would be. But yeah, we made it to better water. We got a little current here, so let's fish here. This is probably one of the wildest things I've done in a while. It's so scary. Water's clear, but it's not crystal clear, so I can have a general sense of where I'm stepping. But then I also do have those blind spots where I can't see a thing, and then next thing I know, I sink 2 feet. And right now it's pretty slippery. Oh, made it. Oh yeah, down there is where we're trying to fish. Yo, we are here. I don't know how the audio sounds. It might be really bad, but we have made it to after all that and falling a little, we have finally cleared the white water. Hey guys, I have a fish looking at it right here. Smallie. That was so cool. Drop. I am. Ooh. Got him. Yes, sir. Yes. No, he's a creek chub. Oh, thanks, Nate. Oh, hey, there's a bass here. This big, but right here. So, largie? Largie, I think. There you go. First fish in the river, right? Yep. Good. Is this your first James River fish?
No, I've caught some white perch.
That's beautiful.
Nothing like a bass.
Good stuff, bro. Guys, there's a bunch of little largies here. No. I mean, like, I see them. What? Oh, wow. There you go. Got him. Oh, this might be a spot. Nate, actually, now you're good. Oh, there's a bigger one. There's some big ones. Woo! No, don't worry about it. I got it. Yeah.
It's a largie.
Oh yeah, beautiful largie.
It's a largie.
Let's go. That's a good size one too. All right, hook came right off. Thanks for biting, buddy. Whoa, that's a lot of them. Oh, nice, Nate. What is it? Let's go. All right, Nate's got a smallmouth. Very nice. That's a beautiful smallmouth. Look at those colors on him. All right, get him unhooked and then released. Give me some.
Up on the fly.
It's
both largies and smallie?
Yep, largie, smallie, and whatever that creek chub thingy was. All right, so we're gonna head further downstream. We had quite some luck in this beautiful pool and that spillway right there. So now we're just gonna keep on heading downstream. And we're slipping and tripping all over these tiny little boulders. Oh yeah, this is good water right here. This is great water.
Oh my God.
What?
I had two absolutely annihilated.
Oh, I believe it. Oh yeah,
Yeah?
fish on. Wait, it's a bluegill. No, no. Hey, maybe that's what bit yours though. All right, not quite what we're trying to catch, but it's a beautiful, let's see, what is it? Okay, yeah, I have no clue.
Insert random bluegill species.
Yeah, insert random bluegill species. All right, see you, buddy. Oh yeah, all right, my turn.
Oh, Ryan, you're gonna totally lose it. Don't do this, Ethan. No. Because right now, where are we gonna go?
Yeah, we have made it finally to dry land. Feels pretty good. But being in the water was definitely amazing because of how hot it is outside today. All right, well, right now, gonna switch to top water because of the evening. Oh, we just got in that water because I kind of toppled over. Got one? Yeah. Get him. Hey, let's go. Here. Net. Yes!
Yeah,
let's go! Woo!
Dude, there we go.
Well, I guess that's it for right now. We are finished for the day. Ethan, we pushed ourselves out of our comfort zone. We got bruised, bloodied, and battered, but what ended up happening?
So we fished this one little falls at the end as we're approaching back that we didn't quite fish before. And then I threw my white popper in, and about 3 or 4 big pops later, I just see this face come out of nowhere and I set the hook.
So if you just stumbled across my channel, I'm a fisherman based in Virginia, and I like to do exploring all around here. And I like to also do challenges, like fishing challenges with my friends. So leave a like if you can, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure.